Okay, now they're done. All right. I don't know if she can see or not, but the turban's on. And here's the other one.
Okay.
And that's the designer right there.
Give me your loudest clap and yell if you think number 1 should be the winner.
Who's number 1?
Over there. Over there.
Okay, number 2. Okay.
Yay!
Oh no, this one, number 2 over here.
Over here.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Give me your claps and yells.
Woo!
Oh, okay, yes, thank you. Okay, number 3. Give me your claps. Okay, how about number 4? And ladies, you can kind of like style and
Model, yeah.
model. Okay, number 5.
Woo!
And last we have number 6.
Woo!
Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time and then you guys tell me, okay? We're gonna go fast. So do your best clap and your loudest clap.
Yeah!
Number 5.
Yeah!
Number 4.
Yeah!
Number 3.
Woo!
Number 2.
Woo!
Number 1.
Yeah!
Okay, I'm not sure who, but I think it could be a tie between
1 and 6.
1, 6, and I don't know. 1, 6, and 3.
I think it's between 1 and 6. I think it's between 1 and 6.
Okay, number 6 is the winner then.
Yeah.
They got the dress and then they got the shirt. And then number 3 and then number 1. Yes, thank you everybody. You guys can go collect your prizes.
Here's a winner.
Winner!
That's the runner-up. And that's the 3rd place over here.